How to change your age on Roblox account. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your age on your Roblox account easily in 2026. If your Roblox account has the wrong birth date and you want to update it, just follow this step-by-step method. After logging in, tap on the More option or the gear icon in the top corner, then select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account Info. Here you'll see your profile details including your current age or date of birth. If Roblox allows editing, tap on the Date of Birth section. Now select your correct birth date and tap Save. If you cannot edit your age directly, that means Roblox has locked this setting for security reasons. In that case, you'll need to verify your identity using a valid ID. Go back to Settings, then look for Verify My Age. Tap on it, and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to scan National ID, Passport, Driving License. Follow the instructions carefully. After successful verification, Roblox will update your age. That's it! This is how you can change your age on Roblox account. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.